Welcome to the assembly guide for the APACHE DX manufactured by Star. Box includes main body, front handle, front wheel, back wheel cap, bush, side mirror, music dock, cell, backrest, axle, nut and screws. Firstly, insert the axle rod into the backside of the main body as shown in the video. Insert the bush. Take the back wheel and place it after the bush. Insert the lock pin. Repeat the same on the other side. Put the wheel cap on. Join the wire of front handle with wire on main body. Join the front handle with main body with the help of pin and screw it firmly with the nut. Now flip the body and insert the front wheel. And fix it with screws. Now take the backrest and fix it with screws. Place the side mirrors on front handle. And fix it with screws. Open the cell cap. And put the two AA batteries. Close the cap back. Now join the wires of music dock and front handle. Now the APACHE DX is ready for your use.